Hello my lovely crafters! Today I want to make with you my new dolls and cats. The template with cats is available for free on my webpage MakePaperDolls.com, so let's do this! To make these dolls you will need mini brads. The size which I use you can see on the screen. I start to make arms first, glue the arm pieces together. Take mini brads and put it into the hole, then add the second piece of the arm. The important thing is to cut the ends of mini brads so we can hide them. After, glue the final part of the arm and it's done. Repeat for the other arm. Now take the body part and attach hands in the same way as we did on elbows. And glue the front part of the body. Again make holes and use mini brads to attach leg detail. Repeat for another leg and finally glue the front parts. Now we need to repeat all these steps with the lower parts of the legs. For the wig, glue 3 parts together. Then glue detail on back side of the wig and add front detail. The doll is almost done. To attach clothes, I'm going to use double-sided tape, cut a small piece and attach it to the clothes, then attach it to the doll. So now our doll is ready. This doll inspired by Barbie Malibu. This one is like Brooklyn, Teresa and Renee. Now let's make cats for them. I will attach details with double-sided foam tape, but if you don't have one, you can make small squares from poster board, glue few layers together and use it to add dimension. We also have sleeping cats and accessories. For cat toilet, I glue double-sided tape on the ends and glue the front part so cats can sit inside it. The same way I make cat bowl, so we can put food inside. And I forgot about shampoo. Also we have cat food package. I glue it with transparent tape to make a pocket. So our dolls can have now 2 nice cats to play. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss any of my future crafting adventures. Make paper dolls with joy, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye!